So we can see in this question we've got a triangle ADC. So there's the vertices of it, ADC there. And it's telling us a few facts about it. So it says that AED and ABC are straight lines. EB is parallel to DC. And we can see that because of the notation. We've got an arrow there and an arrow there. It's also giving us the angles here, EBC. And then similarly, ADC, we've got ADC, so the angle's at D. And what we've been asked to do is find angle EAB. So EAB. So we're actually looking for the angle at A formed by the lines EA and AB. So I'm going to try and find angles within this triangle EAB here, the one at the top. So if we could find that one and that one, then because angles in a triangle add up to 180, we could find that one there. So the first one we can actually find is the angle here, which is AEB, using the three-letter notation again. So starting at A, going to E, and going to B. We can find that, and that's because it's the same as the angle here, which is angle ADC, and because that's 63. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the reason in a bracket after it. Now this is corresponding angles, and just to explain what corresponding angles are, so you wouldn't need to go this far with the explanation for things, but if we've got two parallel lines like this, so I'll show that like that, then the corresponding one is when I've got an angle here. I'll just change colour actually so we can see it a bit clearer. So there's this angle here, and that actually corresponds to this one. And we can sort of almost imagine that it's been, there's the angle there, and it moves up and to a position which corresponds to it. So that's called corresponding angles. So that's the reason why we know then that this angle here is 63. Next thing we can find is this angle here, which is angle ABE. And what we know is we've got this angle which is 148, and if I added it to this one here, the one I'm interested in, that would actually make 180 because I've got angles on a straight line. And if I show it as a calculation, it counts as a reason. So if I put it down as 180 minus 148, and I could just put in brackets after it, angles on a straight line, add to 180. So if I work that out, then 180 minus 148 is actually 32 degrees. So if I mark this on the diagram, that's 32. I'm just going to put one here actually just to make it a bit clearer. So we've got two angles in this triangle, 63 degrees and 32 degrees. So we just need to find the third one in the triangle. So I can actually just add the 63 and the 32 together and take them away from 180, and that will actually give me EAB. EAB, the one we're looking for, is equal to 180 minus those two added. So I'm going to just put those in a bracket. 63 plus 32. I'll put the reason in a bracket at the end. So that one is just angles in a triangle add up to 180. So if I continue to work that out, I've got 180 minus, I'm going to work out the brackets first because that's bid maths. I do the brackets before I do the subtraction. So I add them together, 63 plus 32 makes 95. And then if I take that away, 180 take away 95, it's actually 85 degrees. And we've done it. There's our final answer. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving our video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.